If your LG TV screen suddenly looks blue, objects no longer appear white, you're probably dealing with one of the most common display problems on LG LED TVs. In this video, I'll explain what causes the blue tint and show you how to troubleshoot it step by step. Step 1. Restart the TV. Start with a simple power reset because temporary software glitches can sometimes affect the display. Turn the TV off, unplug it from the wall outlet, and leave it disconnected for about 1 minute. While it's unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV for around 15 seconds to discharge any remaining power. Plug the TV back in and check whether the blue tint has disappeared. Step 2. Check different inputs. The next step is to find out whether the problem comes from the TV or an external device. Open the TV's settings menu or launch a built-in app like YouTube. If the blue tint also appears there, the issue is inside the TV. If it only happens on one HDMI device, try another HDMI cable, connect the device to a different HDMI port, or test another device to rule out a faulty source. Step 3. Reset the picture settings. Incorrect picture settings can make the image look unusually blue. Open the picture settings and reset them to their default values. After that, select a picture mode like Standard or Cinema and check the color temperature setting. If it's set to Cool, switch it to Warm or Warm 2, then see if the picture looks more natural. Step 4. Update the TV software. Although software isn't usually responsible for a blue tint, installing the latest firmware is still worth trying. Open the software update section in the TV settings, install any available updates, and restart the TV after the installation is complete. This helps eliminate any software-related display issues. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If the problem continues, perform a factory reset to restore the TV to its original settings. Go to Reset to Initial Settings and complete the setup process. Before changing any picture settings again, check whether the blue tint is still present. If nothing changes, the issue is likely hardware related.